How to log into your Milestone Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through those steps to log into your Milestone Credit Card online account. So first of all, you have to begin by launching your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome in your device. In the search box, type in Milestone Credit Card Login and search for it. Click on the first link that appears that says Homepage Milestone Gold MasterCard. As soon as you click on it, you will be redirected to another page of login that indicates logging into the secure server of Milestone. Here in this page, you have to enter the correct form of your user ID or your username in the first box. And as soon as you do that, you have to enter the correct form of your password as well. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Username or the Password option and simply go ahead and reset or retry the username and the password. And if you're new to Milestone, you can click on the Register Your Account option in order to become a member of Milestone Credit Card. And after you have entered the correct form of your credentials, you have to enter the login option that is highlighted in yellow color in order to successfully log in. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.